No, I think we did it the right way. We contacted 4 companies. Actually, it was a competitor of yours that gave us your name, well, your company's name, because I feel they felt we were looking for a product they didn't supply, and they knew what you did for work, so they're the ones that gave us your name and number to call. But I wanted to call 3 or 4 companies and get estimates and look at the products, and that's what we did. And I can't say we changed the process any. So as far as selecting the company, I think we did due diligence.
No, I don't think so. Once we had talked to, as Neil said, these various companies, they showed us their product. We discussed it after. We looked around, as we said before, at different types of roofing in our neighborhood or in our town, whatever. No, I wouldn't have changed anything.
I just wanted a new roof, and I wanted a steel roof, but aluminum was better. And I was kind of shocked, I think, by the difference in the price, because I could have had a shingle roof done for a third of the money. But then when you look at the whole picture and you look at the products, then sometimes you just have to bite the bullet and say, I'm going to do what's best for the house. So, well, it's supposed to be a lifetime warranty, so I don't know whose lifetime that is, mine or my kids. But, I've heard about lifetime warranties before, and sometimes they don't always follow through, but I just thought if you offered that, then it's got to be a better product than somebody that offers a 20-year or a 30-year warranty. We haven't been through a whole season yet, so I don't know if we're going to save any money on electric. But I don't know if it's the season, the weather we've had, but I know we haven't run our air conditioner as often as we have in the past. So hopefully that will be one of the benefits. I just, the biggest benefit is that I know I'm never going to have to replace it and that it's always going to look good. To me, that's the biggest benefits.
We're just very satisfied, and it's going to be a long-lasting roof.
I tell them that they did a good job from the beginning when they came and gave us a price and measured the roof. They talked with us the whole time what they were going to do, and I thought it went well.
They were very professional to deal with. And what I liked was if I picked up the phone and had a question, which I really didn't that much, but I knew I could get someone and they could answer my question or explain the process if I wasn't quite sure of it. Neil knows more about these type of things than I do, but I felt that I had to be a part of it. And if there was someone on the other end of the line that could help me, that was great. If someone was looking for a new roof, I would suggest that they do similar to what we did. Find a company that they were comfortable with and someone that they could get answers from and wasn't just trying to lead them around Robin Hood's barn just for the sake of a sale.
Excellent product, installed professionally, and looks awesome.
Attractive, neat, as I said before, and colorful.
I'm happy that we don't have ice stands anymore. I'm happy that it held up through the winter with no problems, and that I keep saying this, but it just looks awesome.
Well, one thing, previous winters with a lot of snow that we have here in New Hampshire, there were times when the guys had to almost get up on the roof to clear some of it to prevent these ice dams and stuff. And it was a safety issue as well. And we didn't have to do that this past winter.
So before this last winter, we used to have a lot of ice dam problems. And even on places that they say wasn't insulated properly, and other places that were, we still had the same problem with ice dams. And we're almost getting to the point where we're going to put heating tapes on. And this past winter, we didn't have any ice dams at all. the minute the sun came out, the snow would slide off the roof, and it just took care of the problem. The one word to describe Interlock is a quality product, quality installation.
I would describe Interlock as professional.